Welcome back to my channel. I am starting off a brand new vlog right here. So if you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Kimberly and this is Kimberley Vlogs XO. I'm a creator that's based in Kingston, Jamaica, and I'm also a corporate girly, which is where I'm coming to you from today in my office. I'm just taking a little break here to just welcome you to the channel and thank you for being here. I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe to this channel and give this video a like. It really helps me out in the algorithm. I appreciate you so much. All my new subbies, hi, I am so appreciative of you joining, seeing it fit to subscribe and stick around. There are lots of videos on this channel. I do a lot of traveling and I also am pretty chill, so I will do week in the life vlogs, day in the life vlogs, you know, things like that. So if you're looking for chill content creators based in Jamaica, Jamaican life, all that good stuff, you are in the right place. And to my tried and trues, those have been here for a very long time, hi. I'm appreciative to you guys for sticking around, and yeah, I hope that you continue to stick around because that would be really detrimental to my channel if you mass unfollow. I am here in the office today. We do have an event a little bit later that my officer and I need to manage. Need to call our exec and find out what exactly the parameters for this event is going to be like, what we need to do specifically. Also, I do have a couple of things on my to-do list. I'm putting together my to-do for the day. I have one story that I'm currently writing that I need to follow up on because I sent over some interview questions that I need a response to, so I'm working that out. It's a Monday. Happy Monday again, and you know how Mondays are sometimes. It's a lot of following up from the week before and then setting yourself up for a successful week. So that's what I'm pretty much trying to do. It is currently 11:58, so I've already ordered lunch. I order from my usual place whenever I come into office. Whenever I come into office, I feel like I try to eat a little healthier because I'm away from all of the food distractions. So I don't commit as many food sins, but I did place my order with just salads as my place. I think they make the best shrimp salad for me. So I ordered a shrimp salad with all the fixings, but no pasta. So I asked for an extra scoop of sweet potato. So that will be my order. Hope it comes before the event because I think the event is at 3 or 2:30. I'm gonna check back. Yesterday I tried to finish a vlog. By the time this vlog comes out, that vlog that I was working on and stressing over will already be out. So I'd appreciate it if you would I'm gonna put it right there so you can click and access the video. No, I was just having a little bit like the video is cut, so it's cut for whatever I need. Like it's edited down, but I just need to add the music and the text on screen and make it very like punchy. And I like for it to look a certain way. And I think in my mind, I was thinking about it yesterday, I was like, in my mind, I like when the vlogs look a certain way, but then sometimes I feel like I overthink it. And I'm beginning to start to overthink it now. So I'm doing my best to not. Based on what I uploaded, I was obviously happy with it. So let's see. Future Kim, stop beating yourself up. Hello, good morning. Oh, you're here already? Okay, cool. He's here already. All right, so I guess I'm gonna eat lunch with you guys. I'll be back.
grab their guns and go investigate. They find an armed woman named Molly, and after a little back and forth...
I'm trying to fix up the lighting. The lighting is not the best, but just work with me, guys. Work with me, please. So have you guys ever heard about seasonal depression? I think persons would have. And what I find most times is that persons who talk about having seasonal depression are talking about them being in a cold place and not seeing the sun and all that stuff and whatever. But I never see anybody talk about persons who may or may not be experiencing the flip side of it, where they are constantly in sun, constantly hot, constantly sweaty, miserable. Just that type of thing for me is what causes my seasonal depression. So coming into the summer months is when I get, like, starting from March into April, May, June, July, especially August, I start feeling a lot more like myself toward the end of October. And that's when I feel my most excited, my most rejuvenated. So I'm coming into the summer months. It basically is summer now in Jamaica. Well, I feel like it's always some sort of summer because you live in a tropical climate. But for me, I don't thrive in heat. I don't know. I like to bundle up. Like, what I'm wearing right now is ideally not what I want to be wearing. But there's no other option because the time hot, me can't wear no long sleeve and nothing. And when I look in my closet, it's so hard to put an outfit together because there's gonna be sweat marks. I'm miserable to comb my hair. Right now my hair is out in an afro, which I love, but because I took out my braids, and then a couple days after taking out my braids, I instantly regret it because I know that I'm gonna have to comb my hair, and standing up in the bathroom combing my hair is just a hot experience for me, and I do not enjoy it at all. Putting on clothes, getting ready to leave the house is hot. If I'm in the house, I'm hot, and I can't run the AC all day, guys. We're not rich like that, okay? And I don't mean to complain and come on the internet and complain, but I'm just bringing light to that side of people talking about seasonal depression and escaping, and they probably look at it and say, oh, you live in Jamaica, it must be so nice. I remember when we went to Iceland. And for those of you who've never watched the Iceland, I have a full Iceland vlog. So if you want to watch it, I'm going to link it above here. And we're there. We met a couple persons and we were just talking to them. And you know, once you tell them, people say you're Jamaican, it's like they want to have conversations with you. And it's cute. It's nice, you know. And we were there and they're like, oh, you must be so lucky to live in Jamaica. And I wish it was warm. Especially one girl we were talking to, she was in the middle of a cold. She literally had a cold, but she had to be at work and everything, and I feel so bad for her. She was just saying, oh, to live in Jamaica, da, da, da. I'm like, yeah, I'd trade. And I was happy because I was not hot, I was not sweating, I didn't sweat once. Yeah, I just don't thrive in heat. I'm not a heat girl. I can take like daily, like the other day when we had the cold front, oh my god, I was living my best life. I was just so happy. I was so happy I could cry right now. It's just my little rant, and I'm just saying I'm in that space where I'm currently going through the seasonal depression stuff, and I'm also just in a mental state where I'm just trying to figure things out with myself, health wise, and just get myself to a point where I'm just happy. And I know 100% that a lot of my choices is food related, and I have zero impulse control. I need to change how I drink my relationship with water. I need to change my mindset about sugar. I need to stop eating sugar. I need to stop having rice. I need to stop the things. So this is something I'm going to try and hold myself to as best as possible. I'm giving myself a deadline because I feel like for my personality, I work best when I have a goal, and my goal is my birthday. So I'm just going to see how I fare when it comes on to from now until my birthday to get certain things together. But I usually do fast until midday. I try to not eat a meal until midday. I've been breaking that, and I've been eating from like 11, but I'm trying to hold fast and not eat anything. I'm trying to do my lymphatic shakes in the morning, because I do have that little vibrating pad thingy that you know that thing where people stand on and they're just like jiggling from like side to side, vibrating. I have that, so I'm trying to do that in the morning to like loosen up my lymphatic system. So this morning what I did, I have my bottle of water. This bottle is amazing because it keeps your stuff cold, but 24 hours. But what I did is I put hot water and I diluted it a bit so it's a little warm, and this is what I'm drinking. So this is not cold water today. I usually fill it up with my cold water, but I'm going to drink this, and I need to be drinking at least 2 of these per day. I will go a whole day and not drink from this bottle, and that's so bad. So I'm trying my best to like get myself to a point where I take myself seriously, because I'm not getting any younger. I'm tired of having brain fog. I'm tired of feeling lethargic. I'm tired of being tired. So I am just going to take myself seriously, because if I don't take myself seriously, who's going to take me seriously? Who's going to do it? Not you. I'm currently in New Kingston. What I'm going to do is I'm going to head into Woolworths, because there are a couple things I want to get. There are 2 tote bags that I want to get, because I saw them and I thought they were cute, and they're kind of going to be like Mother's Day gifts. And I need to go to the post office because I feel like we have mail there. I have not been to the post office in years. And then I need to head to the dentist to swipe my health card to see if coverage has kicked back in for this new financial year, because I do have a procedure that I need to do. Remember that a couple weeks back in the vlog when I said, oh, I went to the dentist, I need to start the procedure. I want to head to Azan because I want to see if I can pick up a couple of curtains. I promised one of our family friends that we would buy them curtains, but I just need to see what options are and send to them. Yeah, I'm back in the car. Just picked up lunch. Went to Just Salads. I felt like I needed to get a salad today. So yeah, I ended up getting the gifts for our mothers. When we'll be able to get them to them, I'll try my best. But this is the bag I got. I got one pink gift bag and the same gift bag but in white. But anyway, Woolworth haul. So guys, do you remember Woolworth? If you growing up in Jamaica, Woolworth is like one of those back to school places that you'd go every summer before school. Well, I used to do that, and I would get like school supplies. I get pencils and pencil cases and book. Woolworth is very nostalgic for me, and I recently rediscovered Woolworths. So Woolworths, if you want to sponsor me. I ended up picking up another gym shorts. I love these shorts. They're so nice. What I love the most is that they have pockets. So when I do go to the gym, I have these shorts that I wear, and I think they're so good to mix and match with my tops. And I decided to, because I see a lot of persons doing this to decompress and to de-stress. So I ended up grabbing 2 coloring books. I got these ones, and I think they are, it's like, all right, so this one is Lost Ocean, the other one is Mystery Garden, and this is the type of stuff that's in there to color. So you kind of, forgive my nails, I have a nail appointment on Wednesday evening, so bear with me. But yeah, so it's like this type of stuff that you can color, and I think I'm gonna have my lunch today and do a little coloring and see if I like it. I got 2. Well, the intention is, if Hakeem wants to do it with me, they have it like this on 2 different pages, so he can do one while I do one, or if he wants to go off on his own, I did get a second one. And obviously, because I have nothing to color with, I ended up getting crayons and pencil crayons, because I don't know what my vibe is. I see persons, they're more like marker specific, and some people are like pencils, and they're like so I got pencils and crayons because that's what they had, so I could try out and see, maybe I'm a crayon girly or maybe I'm a pencil crayon girly. I don't know. But this one has rubber on it, so if you make a mistake you can rub out the color, which I found interesting. Oh yeah, I got a pen. So it's like one of those pens that's like multicolored. I just ended up grabbing one because I don't have one, and sometimes I feel like I'm trying to get back into writing, and I realize my penmanship is so poor. Tell me, comment below if anybody in here, if anybody that watches this vlog has kiddos, or you know kiddos in school. Do they still do penmanship? Because I remember in grade 4 and grade 3 I used to do penmanship as a subject, or it's something that's like, poor, bad poor.
Bad, poor.
And when I look at my handwriting, I think to myself, I used to have pretty nice handwriting. So that's literally my Woolworth haul. And remember how I was saying I was gonna go to Azan and look at the curtains for our family friend? I ended up seeing that they had curtains there as well. So I was like, I just took pictures of them because my office is in New Kingston too. So if and when I do go into the office, I can just brap, 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 you know? Anyway, so I'm off, and yeah, let's go see what the post office is all about, and let's see if I have mail. Open the place on Saturday because Monday if I come up here, so no sir guys. That was a bust. Me never know say I thought they would be open on Saturday. One couldn't tell me. Can I tell you one thing before I head home? The level of temptation that every turn I turn while I'm driving, I feel this pit in my stomach of like anxiety because I just want to stop and get all the treats. Comment below if you're that way. If you're running errands, I'm trying not to do the sugar and the stuff as I spoke about earlier, but literally I'm passing all of my hot spots. So I want to get a piece of cake, I want to get a treat, I want to get a this and that, and I need to not get those things. I'm proud of myself because I did not stop at all, and it's now after 1 and I have not eaten anything all day. So I'm a little bit over my fast.
Wise guy. If you answer my questions and if you're right.
Yeah, I'm a little bit over my fast, but it's just because I'm on the road. So I'm not starving myself, guys. I don't think, yeah, I'm not doing that. I just have not been, I haven't reached home yet since I've been on the road doing errands. But I'm heading home now, I'm gonna eat. It's very hot today. Hot. What's the temperature? Hey Siri, what's the temperature in Kingston today?
The high today will be 30 degrees Celsius and the low will be 23 degrees Celsius.
So I'm pretty sure it's at the high. Okay. We're going home. Thank you for coming along with me for my errands day. And let's just get home and eat. I'm starving at this point. Wow. Wow, you are. Nice. Let's go.